welcome to my channel. My name is Abigail. And call me girl. If this is your first time here, you're all welcome. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do two ponytails using weaves, or should I say weavons. Yeah. So click on the subscribe button if you haven't done that yet, and click on the notification icon so you'll be notified when a video comes up, and give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Okay, so we're going to be parting our hair into two. So I parted it using a zigzag method instead of just going straight down, used zigzag. So after that, after parting the hair, we're going to be using a gel. Sorry, I used gel to define my part and make the hair sleek. Then we are going to be sectioning the one of the half. Why am I using we? I sectioned one of the half into two. That is, I cut it off at the middle. Yes. Then I'm going to be making a tiny braid, two tiny braids. So this is the first one, and I'm still using my gel to part the braid or to define the part. So I had to redo the part. Yeah. So now I'm going to be making my cornrow by weaving it. And once I'm done, I'm going to be doing the same thing again. So I did two tiny braids in between. Or should I say tiny cornrow? Tiny weaves. Okay, so this is the second part too. Did the same thing I did with the first. I did it with the second. Yeah. And then for the center, we're going to be adding gel to make it look sleek, because we're going to be weaving it, so we won't hold our hair together, so it will be neat and nice. Yeah. When you're detangling your hair, please make sure your hair is wet when you're combing your hair, so that you avoid breakage from your hair while combing. So we're brushing it down so everything was sleek. Oh, I had to remake the parts because it was coming into each other. So I use the comb to make it sleek, a rattle comb, and we're weaving. Weave. Okay. Then towards the end, I made sure the hair is crossing to the other side. I didn't make the hair to just go straight. It was going to the other side once I got to the back. So because we're going to be crossing the hair at the back, so that's why it's going that way. So yes, now I get what I'm saying. So for the other side now, it's the same side, but the other half of the half. Okay, you get what I'm saying? Yes, I know you get what I'm saying. So we added our gel to make it sleek, and we're brushing it down, and now we're going to weave. We've gotten our desired effect, desired sleekness. Okay, I'm sure you guys will be wondering why I changed my background. I was just trying to see if it was going to be okay. I don't know. I think I'm going to be changing back to the previous one. maybe not. We'll see. I kind of feel like it's making the background look so dark and making the video look dark. So now we're through with this part. Yeah, and we're going to be doing the same thing with the other side. Yeah. So we're through, and we're working on our edges, side edges and the front edges, and brushing the hair down so it doesn't start flying away. And work on your edges. You can make your edges, you can use swoop style for your edges, but I just decided to make my hair just simple enough. So that was the back view, and now we are going to be using our weavon weave. I used a coily weave for this video. You can use a straight one, you can use whatever you're comfortable with, but this is what I had, or what I have. Okay, what I had. And we're using our rubber band to hold the weavon and the hair in place so it doesn't come off. Wow. Then we wrap the weave around the hair, so as we're wrapping it, we're going upwards while wrapping, so it doesn't just stay in one place. As you're wrapping, you're going up, you're going just like a screwdriver. No, just like a screw, not the screwdriver, the screw. So just go round, spiral, in a spiral way. Yeah, you got the word. Okay, so then the end, we just take the leftover hair and just wrap it around the hair to hold it in place, and we do the same thing with the other sections, the other part rather. And yeah, this is it. Simple, very simple. You could leave it like that, but I'm going to be using an extension braiding hair to wrap it again. So for the braiding hair, I use the gel to hold it down because I don't want it to start sticking out. Then brush it down and make sure everything is smooth and nice. Then I'm going to be wrapping it around the point where the hair meets the weaves, or my hair meets the extension. And also I'm using it to cover the seams of the weaves. Yeah, the seams of the weaves. So here we go, all sleek and nice, and we have our ponytail, our coily ponytail. So now I'm going to be using a bobby pin to hold the extension in place, just to prevent it from unraveling. You can use a freeze spray to hold it in place, but I don't want to add any other thing to my hair, so I just use the bobby pin to hold it in place. So now we're going to be putting accessories on the hair. Yeah, sorry, I put accessories on the hair. It's optional, you can just leave it like this, it's okay like this. Without the accessories, you can go without the accessories, but if you're like me that like doing the most, you can put the accessories and we're good to go. Please let me know what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. Thank you. Bye.